Uh, I think it's, for me, I think, sige, 20 minutes. So sa akin kasi, I give them the big picture. I think what's important for a team leader is to give those team members the big picture, their goals and objectives outright at the beginning of the task itself. For example, this the leader will have to say, oh, this is the goal. Raise 1 billion. Diba? I think that's it. And then just give the objectives and what do you call this? And proper guidance on which direction to take. I think the team members should have initiative, and they should have parang the proper motivation by giving themselves not really incentives, but the big picture, what the direction is for the company. CITES and company undertaking maybe a major critical project that requires interdependence among various individuals working units. What will the results? Anong klase nun? Anong klase? Well, we do underwriting of securities kasi, di ba? So, one example would be the fixed rate bonds. We coordinate with the investment banking group, the treasury group, and then accounting. The process is that banking works on the details, works on the initial terms of the bond. The treasury or the sales group will handle the sales, and the accounting group will handle the acceptance and payment of the bond. There should not be any misunderstanding between team members. If all team members are on the same page, meaning they know what to do, they know what the principles are expected of them, and they have the proper direction. So there should be no misunderstanding. If there are, it should be resolved quickly. By telling them what the objectives are again. Diba? Kasi sometimes maybe the team members will focus on what the objectives are. Does your company provide employees with rewards like incentives and bonuses? Reward lang is lunch, yun. How does your own unit relate to other units of the company? Meaning my unit especially, marketing. So we basically help out the sale of products being offered by the fixed income and then on our part, the treasury also handles new products, mostly for short-term investment. Right? Okay. Thank you.
At pwede po makakuha po kami ng high cabinet